Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Akad, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about major enemies of bees and diseases. Then first is major enemies, as natural enemies and pest and diseases. The first is predatory wasp. Predatory wasp, scientific name is Vespa velutina. Then this is a nest on the tree tops buildings. Then Vespa magnifera, underground nest. Vespa topicala, underground nest. Then this is first is predatory wasp. The nature of damage of predatory wasp. The wasp catch the bees at high entrance and kill them. Then most serious damage in hill causes by the vagina mangifera, which cut down bees in large number while sitting or flying at near hive entrance. Sometimes even has been found causing several damage to the colonies. The weak colonies may even perish due to its attack. Then prevention and control. Kill the fecunded females visiting the apiary during spring by flapping. Burns the nets during night time. In fire prone place, destroy the nest by spraying them with strong insecticidal solution, and kill the wasp in the apiary by flapping. Then secondly, most important predator, wax moth. Wax moth scientific name Galeria menolena. Nature of damage. Nature of the attack is more prevented during monsoon. The wax moth larvae tunnel through the mid ribs of the comb, and there is a presence of small mass of minute wax particles outside the tunnels. In case of several infestation for the brood rearing in stopped, bees stop field work and colony may abscond. Then control of wax moth, close cracks and crevices in the hive, reduce hive entrance, remove comb not covered by bees, keep the bottom board clean. Control in storage in wax moth, keep spare comb in empty hive bodies in tied and close both at bottom and top. Disinfect thus इसके burning sulfur at the rate 180 gram per cubic meter. Fumigation of sulfur fumes. After fumigation, put naproxen flax in mouth, proof stocks. Then third is major natural enemy, which is ectoparasitic mites. In India, ectoparasitic mites Varroa destructor and are causing several damage. Apis mellifera colonies. However, no damage in Apis cerana colony due to these mites has been reported. ये ओनली एपिस मेलिफेरा पे अटैक करती है, एपिस सेरेना पे अटैक नहीं करती है. देन नेचर ऑफ डैमेज इज माइट. दिस माइट feeds only on bee brood. In case of several infestation of these mite, dead brood is thrown outside the hive by workers. The bee colonies may be abscond if control measures are not adopted. The digestion system are irregular brood pattern, perform brood capping, death of malformation wingless bees at the hive entrance. Fast running small brownish mite can also be seen in the infected brood frame. Then this is major mite. Then the symptoms of colony infestation by Varroa are spotty brood pattern. Mite can be seen on adult bees body at mature female. Might attach the young adult bee and also feed the hemolymph till further reproduction in the brood cells. Dead brood and malformed adult bees are seen near or around hive entrance. Colonies become weak and wounds infected by mites make the bees more susceptible to bacterial and viral disease. Then methods of Varroa mite detection. open about 50 shell brood cells and remove pupae using forcing and count number of the mites in each cell and pupa. Then control sulfur dusting on the top parts at the rate 200 milligram per frame. The other bee enemy bee lues, wingless fly found on thorax of bees and feed the coming nectar. Mouth closed to opening of several glands and the take of available nourishment. It is not a serious pest. Then major diseases of bees. Major diseases is first is American foul brood. American foul brood in causal organism Panicum larvae, and European foul brood is causal organism Mesozoic pollutum. This is bacteria disease. And sea brood and thigh sac brood is a virus disease. Sac brood is Apis mellifera and thigh sac brood in Apis cerana. Time of death in American foul brood is late larvae or early pupae stage. In European foul brood is colloidal larvae in unshelled cells. And sac brood disease in time of death late larval stage. Then capining is American foul brood, sunsack and punctured. European foul brood is dead brood in uncapped stage. And sac brood, thigh sac brood, capping is capping remove all the punctured often with 2 holes. Then color of death brood in American foul brood off white to light cream to brown, coffee brown to dark brown or almost black. In European foul brood yellowish white to grey or dark brown or almost black or compared to grating white in the case of normal brood. In sac brood star colored starts darkening from head. Then position of death brood in American foul brood, laying plate on cell base consisting of dead brood in American foul brood, sticky or too ropey, odor of dead brood, glue pot putting print, type of brood affecting worker rarely drone or queen. Then this is a major important of diseases. Then position of dead. Then adult diseases. Adult disease is Nosema disease. This is Nosema disease, very important disease in honeybees. Then symptoms: causal organism Nosema apis. This is a major organism protozoan. And then acarine disease, Acaricea woody, endoparasitic mites. Symptoms: infected bees. Symptoms in Nosema disease: infected bees collect in the front of hive slugging clavers on leaf blades, distended abdomen dysenteric. Then acarine disease: bees gather in front of hive as a claver bees and unable to fly. Then control of Nosema disease: feed fumigation, Fumulin 200 milligram in sugar syrup to each colony, or 0.5 to 3 milligram in 100 ml sugar syrup. Fumigate using fallbacks strip at the weekly intervals or with formic acid 85% at the 10 ml colony, and reducing the quantity after every 24 hours for 21 days. For feeding at weekly intervals of depended 0.5 gram per liter per colony. Then this is a major important enemies and diseases of honeybees. Thank you.